to be doing a little creek fishing. I don't know how high the water's flowing, so I brought my waders just in case. I think I'm going to slip them on and see if I can't get in the water a little bit. It's hotter than a firecracker out here, that's for sure. But I think today we're just going to be trying to catch some small fish. I've got my falcon rod here with a Pin Pursuit 2 or a Pin Pursuit 3 2500 6-pound mono. It's a little overkill for these fish, but hey, it's alright. We're just out here to have a little bit of fun. So come and join me and see if we can catch some fish. Alright boys, let's try to slip on down here. Watch for your sneakies. Alright, water's down a little bit than the last time I was here. Hopefully we don't eat it. Getting in. Oh wow, it's way down. That's alright. Alright, let's go to our little honey hole. Alright guys, we got a small little rooster tail here. If I can flip it over, just a small little guy. We'll see if this color works, and if not, we'll switch her up. There's the little dude. All right. Go ahead and have off. Catfish bait. There's a guy. There's a little guy. Let's see what he is. Got a little sunfish. Little perch. Little Texas perch. There we go. Look at that. Hey, easy boy. Easy. Hey, hey. Come on, dude. Dang, it is stuck in there. What is going on? There we go. See ya. There's one little dude. Let's see what else we can find. Alright. Let's see if there's another one. Not of any size, not of any size. Let's get way back in the shade. Uh-oh. I think I got a little bit of grass. That's all right. See if there's anything in this tiny pool. There was. Right up against these rocks. Let's get a little bit. There we go. Here's a little bass. Oh yeah. Wait, no? Wow. Just a good little sunfish. Oh my. That's pretty good for this little creek. Let's get this hook out real fast. Try to get past. There we go. Let's see what's in that little pool. There's a little fish. There's a little guy. What is he? What is he? A little bass? Nope. Uh-oh. Huh. Oof. Swiped at it and missed. Sorry, bud. You know what? You're alright. Thought I got him in the eye for a minute. He's all good. Little perch. Let's flick them on up. All right. See you, bud. Now, there are some bass in here. I hooked up earlier. Y'all saw me missing. There we go. Let's see what this guy is. A little bass. All right. There we go. Let's get him in here. Wow. Look how pretty this guy is. Look at that. Alright, let's let the little dude go. It's pretty feisty. Alright, folks, moved on down a little bit. Oh, got a little dude on. Another little perch. Little guy, barely hooked. There he goes. The battery in my big camera died, so I'm gonna see how long we can push this GoPro. It's about dead as well. Darn it. There we go. Little dude. Little dude. Pretty pretty. Alright, get out of here. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. Appreciate y'all coming along. Watch me catch some creek fish, mostly perch, a bass or two. Anyways, I appreciate y'all clicking on the video. We'll see you next time.